Hi, I'm Rosie Batista with iCookNaked.com. Now, obviously, I'm not really naked, but I am bringing you a naked recipe, which means that I am bringing you a recipe that uses food in its most natural form. So no processed stuff is going to go into your healthy protein bar. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a couple of dry ingredients into a bowl. We're going to start with some cacao chips. These are 65% cacao. The higher the amount of cacao, the better off. We're going to take half a cup of raisins, half a cup of regular dry oats, 2 scoops of protein powder. Now, I like to use a vegan protein powder that is made from pea protein, and basically that is it. It's very, very simple. 1/4 cup of chia seed and 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. And we're just going to mix that up. And now we'll add our wet ingredients, which is going to be 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I'm just going to pour it right on. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Actually, that's a teaspoon. And we're going to mix this up. Now I have a little water here because the recipe does call for water. You want to just kind of measure it out to kind of see the consistency. You want it to mix together. So I'm adding about 1/8 of a cup of water right now to get all the ingredients wet and mixed. And you're just going to add a little bit more water and 1 more little swig of water. So when you see that everything is wet and it can kind of be pushed down into a pan, that's exactly when we're going to put it into a square pan, and we're just going to push everything down. Sometimes using a spatula works a little bit better. You get a good arm workout this way too. You don't even have to go to the gym. So we're going to take our healthy chocolate chip snack bar and stick it in the freezer for about 2 hours. And we'll come back and we'll check it out. So this has been about an hour in the freezer, and they're perfect for cutting. So I'm just going to gently take my knife, and I'm cutting this 8-inch square pan into 4 columns. Sometimes you have to work around the chocolate chips a little bit. So I have four rows, and then I'll cut them in half again. So here you have a fantastic protein bar, and you can also put them in little plastic baggies and put individual serving sizes inside your bag, wrap it up and tie it, and store it that way. This way you have it ready. You always want to be sure to treat yourself well. So use your fancy plates wherever you can. I'm Rosie Batista with iCookNaked.com. Ciao for now while I chow on this.